Evaluate the limit as x approaches 1 of x cubed minus x over x squared minus 1. So the first thing we should always do when we're approaching a limit that we don't know if it exists or not is just take the limit value that's given, plug it into the function, and see what happens. In this case, I have 1 minus 1, which is 0, over 1 minus 1, which is also 0. Now, that's an indeterminate form, and that doesn't tell me that the limit exists or it doesn't exist. It just tells me that there might be some algebra that I can do to reduce it to a form that I can actually get a limit to exist. So let's try it. Since we're dealing with polynomials, the most likely candidate for the type of algebra that we need to do is factoring. In the numerator, there's a common factor of x, which I can pull out, and that would leave me an x squared minus 1. In the denominator, I have x squared minus 1. Now, that factor of x squared minus 1 exists in the numerator and denominator, and that whole thing can be canceled out. So what this means is I can take my limit, plug in for the value x, and the result will just be 1. And therefore, I've got a result now.